Daddy?
Oh.
You can use this too. Because it teaches you your what? What is this? A, B, C's. Very cool. Look, Isaiah. It's a little caterpillar with ABCs too. These are always cool. Let's see if Mommy can put this one together.
What are you eating, Bella?
I know.
Is it chocolate?
Yeah.
Say chocolate.
Chocolate.
What is it? Domo?
Whoa! Look, Bella.
Isaiah, look, you got a table. This is the perfect size for you.
Let's turn this baby off. Oh, this is gonna be loud really quick. Whoa! Isaiah wants a candy. Look, Isaiah. I'm trying to put everything in there. Okay,
Bella, open up your Santa present,
you know what
right
that
there.
means? There's only one big present left. Oh, he left you a note. Do you want me to read it? What it says? Do you want me to read what Santa said? To Bella, I hope you love your puppy. I sent him just for you. But since you already got him, I hope this gift will do. It says, love Santa. Merry Christmas. You ready? Do you want to open your present from Santa?
Happy, Mom.
You already got your puppy, girlfriend. Sammy's running around here somewhere.
Yeah.
So Mommy's gonna get this ribbon off and then you gotta open it. This is your present from Santa. Go open it. Can you hold it?
Yes?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Oh. Stop.
You can do it, girlfriend.
What's this?
I don't know, open it. Rip it. Come on, pull hard. Show us what you got. Bella's trying to peek and see what it is already. Bella, take off all the paper. Take it all off. Come on. Hurry, rip it off. Rip it off more. Let's see what Santa got you.
Just
Yeah.
okay.
What do you think it is? Hannah Montana? Whoa!
Look on the other side, Bella.
Turn around. Keep opening it. She's doing a good job. It's your first one. Turn it around. Hold on. Redo. Oh my gosh. What is that? What is it though? Is it a guitar? You want to play it, huh?
Bella.
She knows she needs to sing in there.
Bella. Bella.
Show Daddy.
Bella, how do you do a guitar?
How you play guitar? You don't know.
Bella. Isabella. How do you play a guitar?
Do you want me to open it for you? This will be the first present.
No,
yet.
open up your presents first.
She's trying to sing in the little microphone. Okay, Daddy. To Mommy from Santa. It's my camera. Yay, thank you, Santa baby. Okay. This is, do you want me to open the one for your dad? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is from John.
No.
Aww. That is so cool. You got us those
What is
photo
it?
frames. The digital photo frames.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
awesome.
that's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That is so sweet.
That's
That is so
awesome.
cool. That is pretty awesome. Good job, John. Hey, Carly.
Oh.
We have to make sure we call him thank you.
Mommy.
Okay, what's this? This, I guess, is to you since it says Joshua. That's really creative. I like how you did that.
Oh, there's your Tom's.
Yeah, that's Isaiah. And that's the puppies. Santa got something for the puppies too. We open the puppy stocking. Okay, let's see what. This is from Daddy, right? Okay. Ooh.
Mommy,
Oh, pretty. Look at that color.
dog's food.
Yeah, it's a dog food.
Just look.
This one's my favorite.
Dog's food.
I already know.
Ew.
Mama's gonna be hot.
On this back.
You want to talk about a hot number?
Yeah.
Okay.
On this back.
You want to open those? This little pretty dress to shimmy in. Do you like that, Bella? Okay. I believe Daddy has 2 presents to open. And Isaiah's stocking. We'll open up Isaiah's stocking so then Daddy can open up his presents. Ooh.
Isaiah, you can't be yawning already.
He's tired. He got woke up pretty early. Well, this makes a noise. Whoa, whoa. What's in there? Oh, Santa got him candy too.
Just hunting
You got plenty of candy in your stocking. That's not yours. Don't open it.
Whoa, look. So you got lots of candy. I think Isaiah's a bit overwhelmed. You okay? Come here. Here, look, Bella. This is your candy right here. Mama put it all right there. Come here, Isaiah. What's that tree poking at you?
Right here. This looks nice.
Thanks for learning with me, Fred. Bye-bye.
Really nice though.
Where'd what go? Yummy kisses. Is it still recording, Daddy? Busted. What do you think about that?
You like that.
Yummy, yummy. Put it in your mouth.
No.
No. I have one. For you. We'll save it for later. Okay. Daddy, you're next.
I think like once I get to 10, turn off.
Okay, now Mommy's the one steering. Show us what you got, Daddy-o.
I can't open it.
You need to try a little harder.
What is it, Bella? What is it?